Unraveling the Mystery. Understanding. Spook Someone Out. Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, spook someone out. This expression is a colorful part of the English language, often used to describe a very specific feeling. If you've ever felt suddenly scared or unnerved by something, then you're already familiar with the essence of this phrase. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and look at some examples to help you incorporate it into your own English conversations. To spook someone out means to frighten or scare someone, often in a way that makes them feel uncomfortable or uneasy. The word spook itself refers to a ghost or a spirit, which gives you a clue about the kind of fear we're talking about. It's not just about being scared in a general sense, but about experiencing a sudden, eerie fear that might give you goosebumps. Using spook someone out in a sentence is pretty straightforward. It's usually used in a casual context and can describe reactions to various situations, from watching a horror movie to hearing a strange noise in the middle of the night. Here are a couple of examples to demonstrate its use. The ghost stories around the campfire really spooked me out last night. Did you see that shadow? It totally spooked me out. Remember, it's all about that sudden, eerie feeling of fear, so the phrase is best used in contexts where this specific type of fear is elicited. Understanding synonyms and variations can help broaden your vocabulary. Similar phrases include creep someone out, freak someone out, or simply scare. Each of these phrases has its own nuance, but they revolve around the central theme of causing fear or discomfort. For instance, creep out might imply a slower, creeping sense of fear, whereas spook out suggests a sudden or shocking scare. We hope this exploration of the phrase, spook someone out, has illuminated its meaning and usage for you. English is full of vivid expressions that capture the nuances of our emotions, and understanding them is key to mastering the language. So, the next time something gives you a sudden scare, you'll know exactly how to describe your feelings in English. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice using spook someone out in your own conversations. Stay curious, and see you in our next video.